Now the next and the last topic for today is pressure. So the effect of thrust is expressed in terms of a quantity called pressure. हम किसी भी thrust के effect को pressure की term में express कर सकते हैं. So how can we define pressure? Pressure is defined as the thrust per unit area. So per unit area में लगने वाला thrust को बोलते हैं pressure. So pressure, it is equals to thrust upon area and it is denoted by capital P. Okay, so we can say that P is equals to F upon A, where F is the force applied and A is the area. Okay, now the unit of pressure, the SI unit of pressure will be equals to, now we know that pressure is equals to force upon area and the SI unit of force is Newton and the SI unit of area is meter square. So the SI unit of pressure will be Newton per meter square. Okay, and Newton per meter square is also known as Pascal and it is denoted by PA and it is named after the scientist Blaise Pascal. Okay, so 1 Pascal, it is equals to 1 Newton per meter square. Now the bigger unit of pressure is kilopascal. So 1 kilopascal, it is equals to 1000 Pascal. Then if thrust, it is expressed in kilogram force and the area is expressed in centimeter square, then the unit of pressure will be equals to kilogram force per centimeter square. Now the atmospheric pressure is expressed in a unit that is known as ATM. So 1 ATM, it is equals to 76 centimeter of mercury column, which is equals to 1.013 into 10 to the power 5 Pascal. Now the next thing is factors affecting pressure. Pressure को कौन कौन से factors affect करते हैं? First thing is the area of surface on which thrust act. जिस surface में thrust act कर रही है वो area, and second one is the magnitude of thrust acting. Okay, so how it depends, how it affects, we know that the formula of pressure, it is equals to force upon area. Now first thing is how pressure depends upon the area of contact. Here I have given you the example of a boy standing on a sand. Okay, so the same thing is here. If the surface area is more, in that case pressure will be less. Okay, it means more the surface area, less will be the pressure, and less will be the surface area, more will be the pressure. Now second is how pressure is affected by the magnitude of the thrust acting. This you can understand with the help of the example. This example here, a thin boy is standing on a bed. Okay, because he is thin, so his weight will be less. Okay, so less thrust will be applied by this boy on this surface area, so there will be less effect on this surface area. On the other hand, this boy is fat boy. It is standing on the bed of same surface area. See, the surface area of the bed is reduced because due to his more weight he will apply more thrust. That's why this bed has become like this. Okay, it means you can say that more the thrust, more will be the pressure, and less the thrust, less will be the pressure. Now there are so many examples of pressure in our daily life. The best example is of the school bags and the shopping bags. You have seen your school bags and the shopping bags. They have the broad straps or belts. So why the broad straps are there? If the broad straps will be there, it means area will be larger. So it will increase the area of contact, and that time less pressure is applied on the hand and you will not feel any pain on your shoulders. So many other example is also They are given in your book. So just go through all those examples.